Hello, meet John. John is the CEO of an IT organization and decided the future cloud strategy for his company. He needs to improve overall productivity of IT operations and take cloud advantages like high implementation speed, information access at any time from anywhere, cloud, data center, storage, network, database and container. John knows that legacy migration is not so easy. John is worried about the problems like decision making and gap analysis, cost management, automation and orchestration, one platform for public and private cloud. John found one solution for his problem: one platform that migrates his cloud to another cloud. Take control with Click2Cloud CloudBrain platform, where it provides him with great features like comparison and cloud selection, migration solutions, predictive analysis, cost and budget management. This platform provides with ease use and adding of cloud provider account, which helps boost business revenue, business applications, workloads, critical databases, servers, applications, VMs, load balancers to your cloud infrastructure. Click2Cloud Cloud Management Platform has more efficient IT staff operations, downtime, applications delivery and so forth. It provides you with cost savings and productivity enhancement from cloud migration, where it saves software cost, labor cost, maintenance cost, infrastructure cost. This can save total cost of ownership over 62% a year by moving your infrastructure.
Go to CloudBrain URL, enter the credentials and click on Login tab. You will redirect to dashboard page, where different cloud providers are configured like AWS, Google, Azure, OpenStack, Telefonica, Alibaba. Our goal is to onboard 100 plus cloud providers, 1,000 plus enterprise customers. You can add multiple accounts just in few clicks. To onboard any new user, you have to enter cloud details. You can add the cloud provider from dashboard here. For the demo purpose, I'm going to add another Alibaba account. For that you need to provide the cloud details as SSH key, tenant ID, subscription ID, client ID and client key. After successful validation, you can see count has been increased. The newly added Alibaba cloud provider will get reflected on dashboard. The count for number of flavors, tenants, images, instances, available zones, security groups, cloud networks, cloud volumes under the Hong Kong region, which is mentioned during provider creation. It will get all VM details along with its parameters, which contains the name, operating system, VM template and so on. Further, one can create instance, delete, update. Click on provision instance option. Here you have to select the image according to your cloud provider name. For creating an instance, the screen of Add VM Provision will appear, where you have to fill the credentials. In Request tab, provide the email address, then go to Catalog tab and provide the instance name. In Environment tab, click on Choose Automatically and lastly select the properties and click on Submit button. After click on Submit button, it will redirect on this page. You can see the VM provisioning status. In Topology section, you can see the graphical representation of all the VMs, availability zones, tenants etc. based on different cloud providers, like Alibaba, AWS and Azure. The Cost Manager section helps you to manage your cloud cost depending on your resource usage. It provides the facility of billing and optimization. Billing section helps you about the cost of compute, storage, cost trend for multiple cloud accounts and gives the detailed invoice report of all services including price, usage, consumption and amount in PDF format. Also, you can check the cost of different services in graphical format. Click2Cloud Migration as a Service. CMAS is a migration assessment platform, where you easily generate assessment report for various migration scenarios of different clouds like Alibaba, Huawei, AWS, Azure etc. It helps you to smoothly migrate your virtual machines, databases, other applications, etc. from source to destination cloud. Migrate workloads to private or public clouds in real time and without stopping production. The solution provides consistent replication from any source to any target platform. Here, we have implemented cloud to cloud, virtual to cloud, physical to cloud, database to cloud and storage to cloud migration scenarios. For migration, you have to enter the source and target cloud details, or you can also select from the drop-down list. Here, we are migrating workload from Microsoft Azure to Alibaba Cloud. It's real-time, hot migration with no downtime. Migration can be performed in two ways, immediate migration and schedule migration. For immediate migration, we just need to click on Immediate button, Then the pop message will generate that the migration starts successfully. You can schedule the migration for future. For this, you have to select particular date and time. After that, the migration automatically starts on that proposed time. In V2C, we are having an server and VMware as source where you can add source, edit source and delete source. Similarly, in destination you can add destination, edit destination and delete destination. See the target details, select the VMs, click on image, select immediate and start migration. Pop-up will appear that migration started successfully. Click on OK button. You will redirect to the notification page for further details. In D2C, select the database source. Here I am selecting MySQL, drag and drop the database in target section. Select immediate and click on start migration. Pop-up will appear that migration started successfully. Click on OK button. You will redirect to the notification page for further details. In S2C, I am selecting Ceph as source and AWS as destination cloud. Select bucket from source and drop it in target section. Click on start migration. Pop-up will appear that migration started successfully. Click on OK button. You will redirect to the notification page for further details. Similarly, in P2C select the source cloud, drag and drop the VM from source to destination. Select image, click on start migration and pop-up will appear that migration started successfully. You can track the details of all the operations such as migrations in progress, upcoming migrations, failed migrations and completed migration for all the scenarios. User can easily download detailed report of all of the migration operation in PDF format. In application discovery, you can check the information about on-premises data center. A request is sent to particular VM. In response, detailed information of VM, such as name of VM, version, section is displayed. We also get the list of applications, tools, web servers and databases which are installed by user on that VM. Disaster recovery is a part of business continuity, which focuses more on keeping all aspects of a running business despite the click on Compare tab. Here in Cloud Compare section, we will compare the different clouds such as GCP, Azure, AWS, Alibaba, etc. Here, I am selecting Azure as a source and AWS as destination. Select the destination region. Here I am selecting Asia Pacific, Mumbai. Click on Compare tab. You can see the cost for compute, storage and network services. In Compute section, you can see the total estimated cost per month, where you can also see the details of VMs, source flavor, disk size, RAM, CPU, OS type, compute cost and disk cost. In Storage section, you can select the storage type according to capacity and its destination cost. Similarly, in Networking section, you can see the bandwidth and its download to and outbound to cost depend upon the selected region. Next, in comparison report on the basis of APIs, SDKs, services, subservices and interfaces across AWS, Azure, Google Cloud Platform, Alibaba, Huawei etc., so that you can decide which option is the best fit based on your current application workload. You can also check the different reports, such as APIs, SDKs, Terraform, Chef, Ansible, Packer support by the cloud service providers by month. In Cost Calculator, you can compare cost for different clouds for different services such as compute, storage, and network. For this, you have to select cloud, service, region and OS type to check all the offers. For more details, please contact us at mail@contact@click2cloud.net. Thank you so much for watching the video.